This is our wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Its number is GS3680. And this is its front brush. Now I will show you how to connect the front brush with the vacuum cleaner. Okay. This is the front brush. This is a long connector, a short connector, a hose. First step, we will connect the long connector with the hose. And another side is with the short connector. It's okay. And then the front brush with the vacuum cleaner. Unlock it. The last step is with a short connector with the inlet.